Hey everyone, thanks for watching this video. This is a quick how do you add a new group or column in the board view in Notion. I was jumping in here to add columns to a new task list and realized that they had changed it. You used to have a nice little plus sign over here that's not here anymore, so I had to figure out how to do it. Thought I'd share my knowledge in a quick video. If you come over here to the three dots next to the new sign and go down to properties, the first thing you need to do is add a new property. At the very bottom you'll see new property with plus sign, and you'll want to choose multi-select. Make sure you add this property in. Once you do, then you can come back to your three dots and you can go down to group, and as you can see it's to group by status, and we're going to change that from status, so group by. We're going to click on that and you're going to go down and choose multi-select. As soon as I do that, you'll notice it all goes to the left-hand side. This now allows you to see the little plus sign that used to be there in the other views. So now once you click on this plus sign, you can add a new group. So we'll just add back a couple examples. Once you've added the name of it, you'll notice you get another plus sign. And you can keep on adding as many as you want. Once you have the columns you want, you'll notice that none of these tasks have moved over. What you have to do is once you click on these tasks, you'll need to add the multi-select, so that before it was status and was sorted this way, it's the multi-select. So if you want it to move over to in progress, you'll just change your task to in progress and then your card will move over. So hopefully that helps. You can also, if you don't want this one, you can hide a column and it'll just put your hide columns over to the top. But if you have things in there and you want to be able to see them, you can click on it or just re-show the column. So hopefully this was helpful. And if you have any comments or need any more help, go ahead and post them in a comment. Love to hear your feedback and look for more Notion videos. Have a great day. Make it wonderful.